Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So for centuries, Chinese people have been coming to Japan, but during the Edo period, Japan was actually an isolated country. Until around the mid-1850s, American Commodore Matthew Perry came with his big warships and threatened Japan to open its borders. And once the port of Yokohama was open, an influx of Chinese people came here, settled, and established an area known as Chinatown. So as a Chinatown enthusiast, I am here in Yokohama, and today we will go explore the biggest Chinatown here in Japan. So join me as Jack's off to Yokohama's Chukagai. Let's go. So while traveling, one thing I hate about Google Maps is that the direction triangle doesn't really orient you the right way, so I'm kind of lost. But I heard Japanese people are super nice, so let me try asking around and see if I can get the right direction. ちょっとすいません。中華街はどこ？Clickbait.
Hey, why are you here, Jack?
I'm going to Chinatown. What are you doing here?
I'm going to Chinatown too.
Are you a Chinatown enthusiast?
Of course.
Oh wow, our first official female Chinatown enthusiast. Just when I thought Chinatown enthusiasts were a bunch of gay guys, but alright, so I found myself a fellow Chinatown enthusiast. Let's go to Chinatown and fanboy out.
Go.
Alright. Gee, Japanese crows sound so different from American crows. After a few minutes of walking around, guess what we found, guys? Here it is. Chukagai, Yokohama's Chinatown. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm not sure if this is the official entrance or not, but I guess we're gonna go through here. Let's go. When you're a Chinatown enthusiast, anywhere in Chinatown is enthusiastic for you, right? Check out all these Chinese food. Whoa, you got the duck. Wow. You got a Chinese girl, maybe she's Japanese, dressed up in Chinese clothes, I don't know, but who cares? Let's go check out a Chinese supermarket. Let's see what's in here. Do they have Chinese food here? Chinese noodles, yangchun mian, lao ganma. Oh, they got Chinese liquor. And check it out, Chinese table set right here. Chinese tea. Do they have Mao Tai? Right here. They got American, these are like money you burn for dead people. But why is it American dollars? I guess Chinese people everywhere like dollars. Dollars. Oi, namaskaji, baisap. And
Thai curry.
oi, sawadee kap. Wow, Thai people.
Yeah.
Cool, so it's not just a Chinese market, it's an Asian market. All right, there you go. Quick view of a Chinese market here in Chinatown. Wow, look at all these stuff. This is like really Chinatown.
Hey, Chinatown.
Wow, and then you have the Republic of Chinese flags here. Wow, wow, the politics around here. All right, I think we're gonna venture into the main part of Chukagai. Woohoo! I was reading after the end of World War II or the end of the Second Sino-Japanese War, the relationship between China and Japan were kind of bad, right? So they decided to erect this taifang to mend relationships. And I don't know what the relationship between China and Japan is now, but hopefully it's better. So we've decided to try this place because Clickbait is a xiaolongbao enthusiast, and over here they have Shanghai Sinjinbao. We're gonna try some of those first, because why not? Well, since Clickbait is the better looking one of us two, she's gonna be the one showing you guys her eating this food right here. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Oi, oi, all that juice is coming out. Oi, oi, oi.
It's hot.
Oi, how is it though? Oishi? All right. In case y'all wondering what's in here, this white one has pork, this green one has shrimp in there. So as we're waiting for other food, let's try this milk tea here. As you can tell my expression. Yeah. Get it somewhere else. Don't get it here in Chinatown. This is So Clickbait really wanted this duck wrap and this is like $5 for this little thing. It's even smaller than my GG. So here we go. Benyai.
Too much with tea.
This must be one of the unique items here. You have a lantern in the shape of a dragon right here. I like this. But check it out. Hell of people. What the hell? Damn. All these people are Chinatown enthusiasts. Aside from food, you can get your fortune told. I can tell y'all fortunes too. You're gonna eat tonight. Especially if you come visit here. Wow. Damn. What the hell? This is the line? What the hell? I gotta say, this has got to be the busiest Chinatown I have ever been to. And over here we have the Guandi Miaodao, the street of the God of War. I'm guessing there's a Guandi temple. Let's go over here and check it out. Clickbait. Let's go. Let's go find the God of War. Oh, Beijing Kaoya. We got a flying pendant. And then we have this golden lion with the success permit again, and check it out. I've never seen this before, but we got a Xiao GG here. Ooh. Another store with the Republic of Chinese flag. I have yet to see the People's Republic of Chinese flag here yet, so. All right, check out this pavilion right here in this little plaza. Every Chinatown I've been that looks something like in this area, they would have like gambling aunties and uncles. Let's go see if we can find some gambling aunties and uncles over here. Are they gambling? Nope. Are they gambling? Nope. It's just a little park over here. Like every Chinatown we've been to, there are associations, and so far, this is the first one we've run into. The Yokohama Huaqiao Funu Huiguan, the Women's Association, the first one we run into. I wonder if we'll see another association. Now there's Xiaolongbao, and over here we have Dalongbao. Woo! They got Beijing Ryori, Beijing Liaoli, so Beijing food. I don't know what flavor this is. Da Xingyuan, Shanghai. They have Shanghainese. They have the Taiwanese big fried chicken. We saw this on the main street already. This is like that very typical food here. Wow. Ah, we made it. Here it is, the Guandi Miao, the temple of the God of War. Ooh, look at this. Damn, this is nice right here. It looks a lot like those temples in Thailand though. Wow. There it is, the God of War. And people praying for good luck. But check it out, the inside of this temple, wow. I'm always fascinated with how temples are built. Oh, and if you want to purchase some good luck charm, here it is. For good luck.
Good luck.
The God of War will protect you for this amount of money. And also in this Chinatown, we have the Yokohama Zhonghua Xueyuan, the Guofu Jilian Xiao, a Chinese school right here. So this is where, I'm sure Japanese people beat their kids too, but this is where little Chinese kids or little Japanese kids learn Chinese here. It's a lot fancier than the Chinese school I was in when I was a kid. And it's right next to the Guandi Miao also. So you have the God of War protecting the little kids here. But the God of War ain't gonna protect kids from parents by slapping their asses if they fail though. And here's an image of Chinatown in 1910. Check it out. A lot less people for sure. The Chinese quarter of Yamashita-cho, Yokohama, right here. And this used to be the Kwantai Temple, the Guandi Miao, circa 1910. It looks so much different. You got the Japanese flag. I didn't see any Japanese flags here. The only flag I saw was the Republic of China. Wow. There are more pictures here. This is for the school. Oh, they actually do line dancing here. Too bad we can't see it live though, but I'm glad that, you know, they're keeping the culture here. Oh. Politics. Wow. Actually, stuff I saw when I was a kid too in my Chinese school. Girls had to participate in this. For guys, we didn't have to do this. I forgot what I did. All I did was, you know, stand there and look smart. Another must-do activity in Chinatown is to walk in the Chinatown Alley. The Chinatown alleys in San Francisco are pretty epic and actually very famous. There's a lot of history behind them. But the alleyways here are full of food and people lining up. All these, oh, what the hell? What the hell? I don't know, but we are not line enthusiasts, so we're not gonna line up for that crap.
Every single alley has
Yeah, so I guess one way to summarize Yokohama's Chinatown is restaurant and food. Alright, so my GoPro just died on me, but at least I have a phone, so I think we should do an ending here because I think we've seen enough of Yokohama's Chinatown. If you were to ask me to summarize it, I would say there's a lot of people, a lot of good food, a lot of fortune-telling scam. You know, unfortunately, I was not able to find, you know, gambling uncles or anything interesting. But we did get to see Japan's largest Chinatown, so as a Chinatown enthusiast, that's a win. So let's end it here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.